Located in Shenzhen City, YKD was founded in 2008 and aspires to be a leader in the medical industry. People first. Honesty and reliable is our company core values. YKD has a 10,000 square meter independent factory with over 300 employees, equipped with a 100,000 class dust-free workshop and advanced automated production machines. Integrate the R&D, production, and sales of medical cables and accessories. Our main products include ECG cables, SpO2 sensors, blood pressure accessories, medical temperature probe, electrosurgical accessories, and EEG cables. YKD has an independent mold workshop with 36 vertical injection molding machines and 6 large tonnage horizontal injection molding machines. We fully support customers with OEM, ODM services, including mold design, opening mold, injection, and sampling. As a high-tech industry, innovation and quality are central to us. We have secured over 70 national patents and obtained certifications such as CE, FDA, and CFDA. The production process follows the ISO 13485, ISO 9001, ISO 45001, and ISO 14001 management systems. Driven by innovation and development, YKD has a professional R&D team that offers expert solutions and OEM or ODM customization services dedicated to delivering high-quality products. Exceptional quality comes from professionalism and responsibility. We prioritize safety and reliability by rigorously testing each product with high-precision equipment, updating products and incoming materials timely in the ERP system. We reduce mistakes, waste, and then work efficiently. YKD cooperated with customers from over 90 countries, including the US, Germany, and Brazil, and received admiration from their medical device manufacturers. In the future, YKD will focus on customers' needs and keep making high-quality products.